Yes.
This is a Marvel.
Marvel Collector Core.
It has glue on it.
And it has Groot on it.
I am glue.
Yeah. So we're gonna open up Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. He is a little plant right now. And this is from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 is the Marvel Collector Core. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is Mommy excited?
Yeah.
It's Groot.
It's Groot. Mommy loves Groot.
I like Star-Lord.
Yeah, he's cool too. And Rocket.
I like Rocket.
Yeah, you did.
I like...
We went to Build-A-Bear and he got a Rocket Raccoon with the little tiny
glue.
yeah, with the little Groot. Oh, it's on Instagram. You can check it out. Next Little World 5. We posted it. There it is. Look at this little Groot.
And
Very cool.
it's Rocket Raccoon.
Yeah, and that's at Build-A-Bear. As you can see right here, Build-A-Bear Workshop.
And they have a Groot one. But
They have a Groot one
online.
that's online. Yep. They have Gamora. They have Star-Lord. That's it. I don't think they have Drax.
No, they don't.
They have mini Drax. It's little tiny bears though.
Okay, let's open this one.
All right, let's put that to the side.
And
Let's open it.
then...
Let's put this over here and open it right there like that. So first, I believe, is a patch and a pin.
And pin.
Should we take these out?
Yeah, you can take those
I
out.
want to take this.
Okay.
There you go.
Show 'em. I'll take them all for you.
Oh yeah.
And Star-Lord.
Can we see Star-Lord? So here's Star-Lord, Marvel Collector Core. Star-Lord. Very cool. And can we see Gamora?
Gamora.
Gamora.
Put her in here.
Whoop.
And
Here's Star-Lord. You can hold Star-Lord for now. And then we got Gamora right here. It's a pin. Cool. I'm ready for what's inside, dude. I love patches and pins, but
Let's put this to the side.
yeah, put that to the side because that shows what it has. Oh, look at that little comic. Very cool.
This is so cute. It's for babies.
let's open it up.
I don't know how your daddy feels about that. This is your daddy's box.
We can open it later. We'll read it. I'll read it to you for sure, buddy. You know I always read you stuff. Secret Empire. Look at the little baby Groot dancing.
Let's
Cool.
open the shirt.
The shirt you could open.
Let's open the shirt. Right here. Open it.
Yeah. Oh.
Both of us,
Take it out. You can take it out right there. And obviously I'll get it in my size because they don't have kid size.
Or you can get it my size.
You have your Disney treasures, okay? You have your Disney treasures.
Let's see.
That's so cool.
Where's Nick?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, there he is.
this is cool.
That's a cool shirt. Yep, I'm gonna wear that tonight
To sleep.
to sleep. All right, let's do the pop. I know there's a pop.
So cute. Be careful with the box.
Yes, that's a cool pop.
It's a baby Groot.
It's top on the glue.
Can I see it? So it's Rocket and it has a little Groot right there. Look at that. Oh, look at it. It looks like this.
Like this one.
Looks like that. And look at that. That looks cool. It's a Marvel Collector Core exclusive. So let's put that to the side there.
It has the big one.
I do have the
So
big
wait,
tennis
there's
shoe.
I found
Yeah, yep, we got
So
the
the
tennis
ones
shoe.
that are at Hot Topic, this is an exclusive.
Yeah, this
right?
is exclusively
So
to this
all
box.
of these are exclusives. to
No,
me?
those are just part of the collection of Guardians of the Galaxy Volume
And they're
2.
at Hot Topic.
Yeah, those you can find anywhere else. Gamora,
and Drax.
Drax.
And Rocket Crew.
Yeah,
And Groot.
yeah. You see who else? Oh, Nebula.
Oh yeah,
I don't know the other ones. Those are new
Mantis.
characters. Oh, Mantis.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Let me see. Taserface.
Taserface. But those are from the Volume 2. We haven't seen it yet.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
excited to watch it. Yeah, so let's put that to the side. And what else is in the box? That looks cool. Oh, it's a Dorms ride. That is awesome. Oh man. Yeah, let's turn it around. No, you know I tossed the box, but look at that. Very cool. And again, I don't take these stuff out of the box. I keep them. I'm exclusively a collector, and I just rather not. Again, it's an exclusive Marvel Collector Core edition. Can't find this anywhere else but eBay if someone's selling it. Super cool. Star-Lord with the Milano. He's so happy. Yeah, right. All right, so we got. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yep. So we got a Dorms ride. No. We got a rocket. And we got a comic. We got a pin and a patch somewhere. A t-shirt. Oh yeah, let's just show that. Yes. And that movie I'm excited for because Iron Man's in it and Daddy likes Iron Man. Boom. And then this is everything we got today. It's this character, the one that's smiling. Him. That's Star-Lord.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we got comic, pop, ride, t-shirt, pin, and patch. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And what do you gotta say? We gotta share our video.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Give us a give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fun.
Now we will be unboxing the Marvel
Everything.
Collector
Course, Smuggler's Bounty.
Disney.
Yeah, Disney Treasures. We have the wrestling crate that we get. Yeah.
We need Star Wars.
Yep.
Wrestling match.
Yep.
And the Kevin Owens box.
The Kevin Owens box. Hopefully we get something with Kevin Owens. That'd be
Oh,
cool.
that's an Xbox?
I don't know when that one comes in, but I'm ready. Are you ready, Nick? Follow Nick on Instagram at Nick's Little World 5. Look at his diaper. You're showing your diapers.
He forgot.
He forgot. Like our Facebook page at Nick's Little World. All right, buddy. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Thank you for watching his butt. I think he farted out of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.